In a promising start to the year 2024, Meghalaya Education Minister Rakkam Sangma declared the imminent release of the second installment of the Post-Matric Scholarship 2022-23 for approximately 67,000 students statewide. The announcement received on the 12th of January 2024 from the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Government of India, revealed this positive development.
The first installment has already released for about 37,000 students, and second installment was pending, but fortunately today we have received the communication from the Tribal Affairs Ministry, Government of India. Today we have received the second installment from the Government of India, Ministry of Tribal Affairs today for post-matric scholarship, and maybe expected maybe next week we will try to disperse to the students, to all my students waiting for this. So we are processing ideally, and with due process we will do the needful within next week. No, you can see at the sanction order today. Sanction has been stated by the Minister of Tribal Affairs at 12 January 2024. The question of delaying on the part of the state government does not arise. And had it been in the month of December and November, could have been a different story. But the sanction order itself says it's the 12th January 2024. The question of all this does not arise.
Addressing concerns about alleged proxy appointments of assistant teachers in government lower primary schools in the Dengre, West Garo Hills, Rakkam Sangma clarified that those listed in the merit roster had successfully passed both the written test and personal interview for the respective positions.
Category, UR category, unreserved category. So we don't know how they perform, but it is this result have declared based on the marks secured at the interview by the panelists.
So there is absolutely no discrepancy in the recruitment process.
No, this is decided by the interview panel, and the question of all this should not arise because it is because they set for the interview, and based on the mark obtained by the candidate, I think the result has been declared.